I'm Jared from the projects team. Our third Serenity Beerwah construction update shows that the roofs have been installed on all lots. Internally, the electricians, carpenters and plumbers are busy finishing their rough-in services. Externally, the cladding is being installed and the scaffolding is coming down. We are on track to wrap up the building over the next couple of weeks and complete the upper areas. Following that, our focus will be installing the internal linings. Overall, we're making good grounds, maintaining an average of 25 to 30 tradespeople on site daily, and are on target with the program to complete as planned in late 2024. If you'd like more information on the project, please don't hesitate to reach out.